welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today is a cold and rainy day here. It's not snowing though, so that's good news. All right, I still have a couple of teenage nephews with us. We're gonna make a mess of country style ribs. Got a whole, I forget how many pounds, 3 pounds maybe. And you know, hey, country style ribs are awesome. And today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some smoke put on these ribs. Once they reach about 160, I'm gonna pull them off, and then I'm gonna put them in a pan. And I don't know if anybody remembers, and I'm sure they still make them, but about 5 years ago, it was the rave. Grape jelly meatballs in the crock pot. Well, this is based off of that idea, except I'm going to put them in the smoker, and I'm gonna use blackberry jelly instead of grape jelly. I'm sure they're gonna be wonderful. Anyway, let me show you what I'm gonna do with these ribs, and then we'll get them going. I almost forgot to tell you, I'm going to be using some Uncle Steve's Spicy R. There it is. And this is what my buddy Rob at Barbecue Pit Dog sent me. He sent me the original Spicy R and Gator Shake, along with a really sweet griddle kit. Check this out. I think this griddle kit has absolutely everything. Rob, thank you so much for this. We're giving it a try today on these country style pork ribs, and man, awesome. Thank you so much again, brother. All right, let's now do it. Okay, so all I'm going to do is spray these with a coating of olive oil, and we're going to put the Uncle Steve's Spicy R, Spicy R. You just want to put a good coat of this on here, and of course we're going to do both sides. We're going to do actually all 4 sides on the ones that have 4 sides. All right, that's all we're going to do to these, and we're going to throw them on the smoker at 250 degrees, bring them up to 160, and we'll go from there. All right, we got our PS 1100 rolling at 250 degrees. I don't know what's with the butcher. That piece right there is huge. That one right there is tiny. So those are going to go next to each other. We are going to let these get some smoke until they hit 160-ish. All right, so we'll see you in a while. Okay, and just because I can, I've got the meat stick. It's a wireless thermometer. I'm going to put that right there. It's magnetic. And I'm going to put my meat stick in this big giant one over here. And we'll keep our eye on that temperature on that one right there. Alrighty. This time, instead of using grape and either ketchup or Heinz chili sauce, which is a spicy ketchup, I'm going to use the blackberry jelly and Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Let's go throw that together right now. All you have to do is get your jelly. This is blackberry jelly. I'm going to dump it in the pan. I'm going to add Sweet Baby Ray's original barbecue sauce. And we're going to have it on a low heat. We're just going to heat it up. We don't need to cook it at all. We just don't want it cold when we put it on the ribs. And that's all you got to do. All right, well, we just had some hail come through here. My meat stick is actually telling me that they are at 160 degrees. So it's time to take them off. I'll show you what we're going to do now. So we're just going to get these in our pan. I think that'll work. Now these other ones I'm going to stick in this smaller pan, and I'm going to use these. I might shred these up and use them for taco meat or something. Alright, we're going to get these braised up as well, so let me show you that. Okay, so what we have here is our country style pork ribs with Uncle Steve's Spicy R. And this pan here, we're just going to braise this with some beef bouillon. Guess I don't need to put a whole lot. You do want to put it in warm. And then here is our blackberry jelly and Sweet Baby Ray's. And this is just going to go right over all of these. And that is also warm, even though it is freezing out here. Okay, get all that in there, get this covered up with foil. Nice and tight. Alright, we're going to put these back in the pit bots and let them braise for a while. Right, it's been about an hour and 40 minutes. Let's give it a quick peek. Let some steam out. Look at that. We're going to get these off, cover them up, take them in. It is raining out here, so yeah, my brother-in-law got me these handy heat gloves so I can take stuff off the barbecue off the pellet grill without burning my hands. These covered up so I don't get any rainwater on them. Okay, we'll bring these in. These were just braised in beef broth. Use any jelly you want. The meatball one was grape jelly. I use blackberry jelly, but I'll tell you what, this would probably be phenomenal with my jalapeno jelly. But just so everybody can make this, if you want to make this, use your favorite jelly, use your favorite barbecue sauce, go for it. And it's I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I'm going to go take a taste test for you right now. I left the big pieces in. I brought a piece out to eat. This one right here is the one with just Uncle Steve's spicier on it. That is really good. So tender. Fall apart. There's another tiny piece. Okay, now for the blackberry jelly. Like that. Oh my. That blackberry jelly and the barbecue sauce. Oh my goodness, that is really tasty. Here's another one right there. Look at that. Just incredible. Look at that. I don't know if you can see this or not. Just the meat part. It's got a good smoke ring on it. It's a little sweet from the blackberry jelly and a little tangy from the barbecue sauce. Outstanding. Once again, very delicious. There are so many ways you can prepare country style ribs and so many ways to serve them. They're affordable, they're delicious. Make you some today, smoke them on a smoker if you got it. You can throw it in a crock pot, I'm sure it'll be just as delicious. Alright? Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.